It's okay. You can go running. Go ahead. Go grab your dad.
And with that, this bloat has ended.
Come on in here, Skogel. Group hug. Hey! Hey, watch all the pointy things. It's pretty pointy in here.
So this is Symbol. Everybody knows Symbol. 3 rounds. God or goddess of your choice. Fallen. They don't put you anything. Only rules are we're respectful to everybody that's here, and we're respectful to everybody who's here's deity. We don't speak bad about anybody here, even in jest. We don't speak bad about their deity. Other than that, everybody else is on the table. Harry Allfather,
Harry Allfather, Allfather Odin.
Harry
Allfather, Harry Allfather, Allfather Odin. Harry Allfather, Harry Allfather, Allfather Odin.
Odin, Allfather, keeper of the slain, creator of man and woman. We ask you to join us here for Symbol, that you hear our words, you hear our deeds, laugh with us, cry with us, hear our inspirations, and be a part of this time that we spend together. We spend it in veneration of you and your kind, to the gods and our ancestors, to the whites and the Disa. We ask you to join us, laugh with us, and be jolly as a kindred. Hail Odin.
Hello. I raised this horn to my brother Håkon.
No, I do actually. Because I was thinking about that too, especially sitting around chatting with Chris today. And I was thinking about like the impact that Håkon had on my practice and shaping me. And it's interesting because, you know, I'm dealing with a lot of people on TikTok, and, you know, a lot of them are plagans and a lot of them are a little strange. But their heart is in the right place. They just don't know how to move to the next level. And I was there for a long time. I found this path in '93. And I didn't meet Håkon or really get in with Håkon until 2001. That's a lot of years of just trying to figure it out. Playing games, seeing what works, what doesn't, reading books, reading stuff from the wrong authors, the wrong people. There's a lot of dead ends and a lot of bad roads. And when I found Gallarhorn, I had a resource. I could say, hey, what's up with this guy? And he'd be like, oh, I met that guy once in an alt thing. You don't want to deal with that book. You know, and, you know, it was just nice to have that kind of a guide, and save me money and time and research. And it's even cooler now, fast forward a few years, I'm in a position where I get to help people do that, and even more so working with the military kindred. So I get to do that, and that's a direct reflection on the kindness and the generosity that Håkon showed me. So to my brother Håkon, hail to you, and I know that you'd rather have me drink it than nothing else. So
Hail Håkon!
Hail Håkon!
Hail Sushi Master! Sushi Master!
But this last toast, as is our custom, and especially today during Alpha Bloat, we raise this to the land whites, the land vetter, and especially the vetter here in this Vey, who look after us, they take care of us. I don't know which one of you little creatures managed to slide into the teepee and keep that little smoldering fire from burning the teepee down for over a week. I don't know if you guys understand. So the ground is like duff, right? So most of the ground that we're walking on is just compacted, decaying vegetable matter. It's like really dusty leaves and stuff. So it's the whole, like this much of the soil is just decaying vegetable matter. It is not dirt, and it is highly flammable. So we had a fire in the teepee last week, right? And put it out, stirred it with water and everything, but there was somehow some ember got caught up in that duff, and it's been eroding the ground under the teepee for the last week. So when we walked out there yesterday morning, there was still smoke coming up on the floor. Like it was still smoking, and I put my hand down in the fire pit and I could go almost shoulder deep. It just burrowed a hole down it. I don't know, it's probably still burning underground somewhere. But somehow the whites kept it from burning down the teepee, burning down the bay, or burning down this portion of the land. So they did their job. And for that, they need to be recognized. So hail the land vetter, and especially the vetter of this bay and this stead. We love you guys, and you're welcome back anytime we're around this fire. Hail.
Hail.
The vetter.
Mega hail.
And with that, this stumble has ended. We're recording the plan. How are we going to dominate the world if the world knows what our plan is?
Yeah,
Recording
shut
it
up.
so she can check it out later and make sure that we
No,
remember.
please keep it rolling because this is how it's gonna happen.
Because tomorrow, if this still sounds like a good plan,
Then
we
should
doing
it.
it.
We're doing it.